Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You already have what matters. Account credentials and device permissions. Now start. Open GSpace and sign in, then create or join a workspace so you have a context for files and settings. Once done, grant storage and location access so sync will work reliably. Make sure two-factor authentication is enabled for security and name your workspace clearly. This reduces confusion when you add collaborators. Next, I'll show you how to add resources and set up sync rules, step by step. You'll now add and organize content. Start by creating folders and assigning access levels. Read, write, or admin. This controls who changes what. Then upload files using drag and drop or the plus button and tag items for quick retrieval. Once files exist, configure sync rules. Choose frequency, conflict policy, and a 100 MB file size limit if needed. Make sure to test a small upload to verify permissions and sync behavior. This prevents surprises later when multiple people edit the same file. Finish by inviting collaborators and assigning roles, then enable notifications so you stay informed. After that, verify a full sync and scan the activity logs for any errors or conflicts. Resolving conflicts quickly prevents data loss. If something goes wrong, like sync failures, clear the app cache, restart the app, and re-authenticate your account. This fixes most connection issues. Finally, make a habit of regular backups and review permissions monthly so your workspace stays organized and secure.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.